Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syawasri bin Muhammad Hanafi. My others member is Khairil Aiman, Muhammad Dini Rafiq and Saiful Faris. I from group 13 and I will present about radar communication. We know what is the radar communication. The radar communication is also known as a radio detection and ragging. It's a technology used for detecting and tracking objects in the surrounding environment. The basic principle of radar communication involve the transmission of radio wave, which are then reflected back by object in the path of the wave. By measuring the time it takes for the wave to return and analyzing the characteristic of the return signal, radar system can determine the distance, direction, speed and other properties of detected object. The problem statement: the system should have a high level of accuracy, reliability and range, while considering factors such as power consumption, interference mitigation and data processing capabilities. Design and process of innovation. Radar communication is an electromagnetic system used to sense, locate and identify objects in surrounding environment. The radar system performance can be enhanced by exploring advancement in phase array technology, polarization, diversity and adaptive beamforming for robust radar system. The innovation of radar communication is antenna design, which is antenna pattern optimization involve applying electromagnetic theory to shape radiation pattern for specific application, enhancing sensitivity in desired direction. Waveform modulation. Innovation in waveform design based on electromagnetic principle allows for better target discrimination and reduce vulnerability to jamming. Third is signal process algorithm. Applying advanced algorithm root in electromagnetic field theory help extract valuable information from received signal. These include Doppler processing for moving target indication and adaptive signal processing for clutter rejection. And lastly is adaptive beamforming. Using electromagnetic field theory, adaptive beamforming techniques are implemented to dynamically adjust the radar beam in real time. This improves target tracking accuracy and reduce interference effects. Next is product contribution to public health and environment safety. The main goal of radar communication, which are extensively employed in weather forecasting, navigation, aviation and national defense, is to provide both individual and group safety and protection. Potential health impact. This research on health impact other than cancer has been done in the majority of studies so far. They look at the impact of acute exposure to relative high level of the radio frequency field. Second is research on cancer. A number of epidemiological studies have examined potential connection between radiation exposure and increased risk of developing cancer. Radar system also have thermal effect, which is research has been done on RF field in animal, particularly primates, the degree of radio frequency field in animal is one of the first indicator of negative health effect. Decrease endurance and dislike to the field are more among the increase as well. After that and lastly is electromagnetic interference. Other electrical device may experience electromagnetic interference from radar. The threshold of all these effects are frequently far lower than the recommended amount of RF field exposure for human. Radar can also interfere with some medical equipment, including cardiac pacemakers and hearing aids. If users of this equipment are working in close vicinity to radar system, they have get in touch with the marker to find out of their goods are susceptible to the radio frequency interference. Conclusion. In summary, radar communication is a technology that uses radio wave to detect and track objects in the environment. Engineers use electromagnetic field theory to design radar antenna, signal processing algorithm and waveform modulation technique to improve detection, accuracy and range. While providing vital information, radar installation implement measures to minimize human exposure to RF field, contributing to environmental and public health safety. That's all for me. Thank you.